Hi guys, it's Sue Beauty here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your brushes using my favorite products, so stay tuned. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications. Also don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And keep on watching as I show you how to clean your brushes. You are going to need a few things when cleaning your brushes. Today I have the Blendercleanser Solid Pro as my soap. There are a few ways to clean your brushes. I like to use this glove. It's a cute little glove. I found it at Ross. Or you can use a mat. I also found this at Ross. And to dry and shape our brushes, I like to use my Sigma Dry and Shape. Holds 92 brushes, you guys. You can also use something like this. It's a 3-in-1 dry and shape spa. Looks like this. It did have a little bottom there, but I lost it. Just take it apart, get your brush wet, scrub it on there, and then when you're done, you just put it back together and slide your brushes in and store them. And when I'm done, I like to store my brushes in a closed lid container. I got this one from Impressions Vanity. I really love it so much. Alright, now that I've showed you everything that I use to get my brushes nice and clean, we're going to go ahead and get started. What you'll want to do is get your brush wet and then rub the brush onto the soap. Make sure you have enough, get it all nice and soapy. Get your glove wet and start cleaning your brush on the face part, back and forth. Add water when needed. I like to continuously add water, it helps clean the brush faster. Get the flat side, on the sides, all around. It's a really big brush, so we just want to go all the way around it and make sure we hit all of the spots. Face brushes do take some time to clean, so just continue to rub them on the face part and on the refined part. Just scrub, 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 continuously adding water. Until your water runs clear is when the brush is clean, so continue to do all of that. Once the water starts to run clear, we're going to go ahead and start rubbing the brush onto the face rinse part of the glove. And then we're just going to go ahead and start rubbing it until almost all of the water is gone. Express brush cleaning mat, wash face, refine, wash eyes, refine plus eyes, rinse face, refine plus face. Get your brush wet, get your soap, and start washing it onto the wash face part of the mat. Nice and clean. We'll start rubbing it onto the refined part as well. Back and forth between the two. Add water and go ahead and start cleaning your brush onto the rinse face part of the mat until your brush water runs clear of soap. Rub it back and forth until all of the water is gone. So now that you've seen how I clean my brushes, what products I use, and how I shape and dry them, let me know in the comments down below if you found any of this helpful or what you use to keep your brushes nice and clean. Until next time, bye!